Yes, bro.
You alright?
Okay, mate?
Good.
Nice to see you.
Oh, yeah. You alright?
Okay.
Hold on a minute.
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
We are downstairs this time.
Yeah, I got
Team room downstairs.
Yeah. You alright? Oh. How are you? You good?
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah, good, thanks.
We know, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, right?
Ollie. Right. Oh, lads.
You good?
All good? There he is. Oh, alright, sir. What's happening? You good?
All good. All good.
Good to be back, alright?
Hello, you okay? You good?
How are you? Very well, thank you. And you?
Have you got your passport?
I do.
Cheers, thank you, Jake. All the best.
Ready,
Cheers.
yeah?
How are you, mate?
Very good.
Hello, you
How are you
okay?
doing? You okay? Good to see you.
See you. Good.
He's just got
Yes,
here.
right. How was the gym down?
Yeah, it's alright, yeah.
Small.
Right, Dan. You okay? How's it going? You alright? Yeah, good.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
Okay.
Yeah, all good, thank you.
Good.
All good.
Alright.
How are you?
Okay.
Are you okay? Good to see you.
Yeah, better. Good. Good to see you. And you, mate?
A request for you to manage as well. Not conviction.
Not
You can have.
Hey! There he is.
Hello.
Right, mate, you right?
Top man, cheers for that, mate. Top man. Appreciate it. Great. Let me know you want to see you on the way back. Yeah. All right. So have a great time. Well, no problem.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, you okay?
Everyone's come down, so I can go around.
Right, sir. You good?
Grab a few now.
How are you? Nice to see you, my friend. It's been a while.
How you doing? How are you, mate? All right. Good to see you. And you, mate? All right? Yeah.
Nice, mate.
Nice to be back. Nice to be back.
Oh, yeah.
You good? You good?
You alright?
Seamless.
Hello. You alright, bud? Good, yeah?
We are downstairs.
Are you okay?
I'm
Good
good, how
to
are
see
you?
you.
All right.
Okay, thank you. What are you doing?
We're downstairs.
Between the food trucks. Between the food trucks.
Alright, sir?
What's happening?
You okay? Yeah, good, thanks. How about you, alright?
Right.
I'm good.
Are you
Okay? Yeah.
You alright? You okay?
Good, yeah. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Good.
Alright?
You got your passport?
Yeah. I am. You alright?
Stay.
How are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Yeah, got it in my bag.
Alright, sir. Sneaking in, but yeah.
Well, you good?
Maybe like half past 2. Just a picture. So are you? You okay?
Yeah, and you.
Gonna go too. Yeah, good.
Thank you very much.
Perfect, thank you. We are downstairs. Food is at 7.
Yeah. Thank you.
If you want to do medical check now or do it before dinner.
Take it up. Rabbi Matondo.
How are we, lads?
Good.
Boyos! How are we?
Are you right? Come here.
Sorry, man.
Okay.
Let me come here.
So.
Mag.
Alright, son.
Yeah, man. How are you?
Nice to see you, mate.
Oh. Even better seeing you. I never thought I'd say that, but thank you very much.
United.
Take care, yeah? Bye. Boys, nice to see you.
What are you doing?
Are you cutting that? Guys? How are we?
You've made it.
Ah, just about. Shiv knows all about that. Okay?
Yeah, you good?
You okay, Reg? Good to see you.
Hello, you.
Nice to
You're
see you.
okay?
You alright?
Yeah, good to hear you.
Yeah.
Where did you drive from?
Brisbane, what's that? Good to see you. I like this, you know. Another guy. Clean, isn't it? What size do you want for you? Small or medium? Medium. Small, you good?
Hi, Brennan. Right, how are you?
Okay.
Okay, you alright?
Yeah.
See you there.
You alright? You good?
Hello, mate.
Thanks, mate. Thanks.
Hello, okay? You alright? Good?
I see you. Hello, Brennan. Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Smithy boy.
Yes, mate. Right, yes, Nate.
You okay?
Hey, mate.
Yes, you okay? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hello, you okay? You good?
Good to see you.
And what you
Yeah, yeah. Fine. Right. Hello, are we? Yes. Boys? Are we? Okay?
Quick, right?
Here's the boy. Nice son? Alright, good.
Are we? Brilliant. Thank you very much.
We're downstairs this time.
Okay.
Food in 20 minutes.
Alright,
Okay?
So good.
Yeah, not too bad.
Well, don't talk to me to bare phone one now.
Downstairs, yeah.
Dad!
Dad!
You good, bro?